Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another plan with me. This week I am planning for the week of May 30th through June 5th. Already in June. This is my Erin Condren hourly planner. And I made myself some stickers on Cricut Design Space and cut them out using my Cricut. I am so in love with this kit, y'all. I have no words. I'm in love with it. These geometric shapes I got off of Creative Fabrica. It was a digital paper. So I just used that to make my washi and my decorative boxes. I'm in love with it though. Completely in love. All right. So let's go ahead and lay down my date, covers, and my washi. So what have you guys been up to? Me just kind of trucking along. I'm still working and doing my training. So I've been very, very busy. I hop from one thing to another. But what I have realized that it has made me more efficient. Because I don't really have time to I don't have a lot of extra time during the week, I should say. When I'm not working, I'm doing homework for the training. Studying, different things like that. So I have to make sure that I really do meal prep. I would meal prep, but if I didn't feel like it, I didn't really have to. But now I actually have to meal prep and I have to cook. Otherwise, I'll be hungry. And I am like the Hulk when I'm hungry. You will not like me when I'm hungry. So this has caused me to cook what I said I was going to cook and eat what I said I was going to eat. There's no straying away from the process. Sometimes when I get up in the morning, because work doesn't start till 12, sometimes when I get up in the morning and after I do my walking, I will maybe go get a smoothie. Or a salad from Zaxby. But other than that, I have to cook, which is way more convenient and cost effective. So that's one thing I can say. I've been getting up and doing my walks at least 5 times a week, and I have been cooking, meal prepping, and cooking what I actually said I'm going to eat. It's usually, especially if I don't take any meat out, because a lot of times I may throw some chicken in the crock pot, and that's pretty easy and straightforward. But if I don't do that, I'm just kind of sitting around like, what am I going to eat? So this has forced me to kind of get myself together. And I eat chicken a lot. A lot. My little crock pot. I got a little crock pot from Walmart. It's really small, but it's perfect for me. So I'll throw some chicken tenderloins in my crock pot. And I always buy broccoli, onions, and zucchini. Those are like my base vegetables. So I will either saute those or Just kind of do a one pot, maybe do a one pan thing and throw it all in the oven. But if I don't eat that, then I will I'm missing something. That's why I'm kind of going back and forth looking at what I'm. Anyway, now I lost my train of thought again. I'll throw some chicken in the crock pot. I know that's what I was saying at first, but I'll have some of those rice-a-roni things in the cup. I may eat that on the side. That's my lazy. That's what I call my lazy side. If I don't feel like cooking, sauteing any vegetables or making cabbage or collard greens or something like that, I will eat that as my side. So for my Bible study, I'll listen to a devotional when I first wake up on the Holy Bible app. But now I have gotten back into, this is something I go back and forth with doing. Going back and forth and listening to Rick Warren, Daily Hope. I like it because you can go back into the archives if you don't really want to listen to what he currently has on there. He has an archive section on there, so you can go back and see what they were talking about previously, or what the sermons were about previously. And they also have worksheets that you print out and you fill out as you're listening to the sermon. So that's a more comprehensive Bible study for me. I'm sorry if you can hear my neighbor's TV. It is super loud. All right, let's see. I got my Bible study. I got work. Got my habit trackers over here. I am still doing my class. My training class lasts until the 15th. And I thought I did an ombre checkbox, but I guess I did not. Go ahead and lay down my water trackers. I don't know if I told you all, I put this water app on my phone. It tells me to drink water every 2 hours. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's see. But it does, kind of help me. It reminds me to drink water. So it's always in the back of my mind. It's just the point of, am I actually going to do it? Let's see. think maybe I will do some I don't know if I want to do my grocery shopping on Saturday or Sunday this week. I did not print this on my removable stickers, so I cannot remove these. So if I don't like it, I'm just going to have to live with it. All right, let's see. We're 9 to 2. One thing that I have found that another thing that I found that I like is YouTube has a couple of channels that show horror movies. And I am a horror movie fan. And they just pop up. Of course, when you start watching things, they just pop up now. But yeah, I have found horror movie channels on YouTube, and I am loving it. Now, some of them are dumb horror, of course. You know, they're not masterpieces. But, you know, they help occupy my time. Let's see. So yeah, I've been watching some really interesting horror movies on YouTube. All right, this is for my YouTube video for that week. Let's see what else. All right, so let's do my grocery shopping, meal prep, laundry, and trash. I did say I was going to make more of these smaller boxes, but I had already made this kit, and I think I got one other kit made. So it's probably going to be a while before I make the next kit that I make, and I have more smaller boxes. So many things change throughout the week, so I never know what day I'm going to do what. So a lot of weeks I end up switching back and forth what days I meal prep and what days I do the trash, because I don't always have trash to put out every day. They come Sunday through Thursday. I definitely meal prep on Sunday to start my week off right. But other than that, yeah. Payday is, let's see. Payday is Monday the 30th. Yep. Sometimes if payday falls on a Monday or Saturday, they may pay us that Friday, but we'll see. I don't have a meeting this week. these down here. Yeah, I need more smaller boxes. All right. Uh-oh. I guess I could use the big box for, I can kind of track what I'm actually listening to while I walk, whether I'm listening to a novel or a podcast. Friday's usually my rest day, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Sometimes I will pop up on a Friday morning when I first wake up, and I might walk out. If I wake up early enough, because I start work at 9 on Friday. So if I wake up about 6:30 or 7, I will go outside and walk. I wish I had did another ombre checkbox, but oh well. My Juneteenth sticker kit is coming together quite well. I'm loving it. Let's see, Saturday, I got my to-do list. I'll pop something here, just in case. All right, I think that's it. Because I don't have a meeting. I don't have any trainings for work. All right, so I think that's it. I think that is my week. I'll put my date dots in pretty soon here. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with me as I lay out my week. And I will see you in the next video.